Imagine walking into a courtroom, knowing you're facing serious felony charges for methamphetamine possession, and the judge doesn't hold back. One wrong move, one failed test, and suddenly your future is on the line. This isn't just another case, it's a raw, real-life drama where the stakes couldn't be higher. The tension, the consequences, and the judge's shocking reaction will leave you on the edge of your seat. Watch closely, because what happens next is a lesson in choices, accountability, and the harsh reality of the law.
AC Tony?
Tony.
Tony.
Yes, sir.
25 CR 1068. You were charged, as you probably know, with a third-degree felony, legal possession of methamphetamine, a controlled substance, which carries with it up to 10 years in prison. So serious. You have a drug patch? Generally, with drug cases, that's what we do.
I don't think there's any. I don't know, but I didn't know. There may not
Okay,
be
good,
indication.
good retort.
Well, I don't know.
all right.
If that's the case, Your Honor.
Is there a criminal history there?
There's not, Judge.
Yeah, that may be why there's no drug patch. Because it's history of this. It's not.
I believe there's a pending misdemeanor, but no.
Pending misdemeanor where? And
Here.
Here, I think it's a theft.
Okay. On probation, 10-4. Stand by. I'm on warrant duty. Mr. West will be appointed to represent you.
Then about some weeks on in now.
4 weeks, we will set it for an announcement for 4 weeks. Please get a reset in. And we're going to just test before she leaves. Have a seat right over there.
I can get the settings over there.
I don't need it, my friend. You tested positive for amphetamines and meth. Your bond's revoked. It's not even close. Your bond's revoked. Boy, I wish I had $1 ever heard that. You're in trouble again. You were in trouble when you got indicted, and you're up to the same bad habit. We're going to work on this by putting you in jail where you can't get your meth. That's what we're going to do. Sorry. You have a drug patch now, don't you?
Just
Yeah. No.
I know. Trouble, sir, please.
I'm sorry. Methamphetamine is a serious felony offense. Possession. You've got one now. You have one here. The grand jury can indict you again for a second one. How many do you need before you decide to do the right thing? Quit whining. That's what it is.
Please,
Your bond is revoked. You're taken into custody. Sorry. Thank you. That's the only way we can deal with methamphetamine abuse. Yeah, it's a no bond.
There you go. Go see inside, Judge.
You are Richard Joseph.
Yes.
With Ms. Minaldi, your attorney and the state's attorney, does the defendant waive a formal reading of the indictment and arraignment proceedings?
Yes, Judge.
In summary, this indictment alleges that on or about May 5th, 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the second-degree felony of assault on a peace officer. Listen, is that right? Yeah. Do you understand what you're charged with here?
Yes.
A second-degree felony carries with it, if convicted, no less than 2, no more than 20 years confined in prison, and a fine up to $10,000 can be assessed. Do you understand?
Yes.
I don't have anything here in my queue. What's the agreement? What's
It
the
was
agreement?
deferred, Your Honor, and it was recommended 7 years deferred on it. But
No fine.
Okay, and apparently an agreement's been reached where you would be pleading guilty, not found guilty, but placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation, and I can place you, it's discretion of the court, I can place you on probation up to 10 years in the length. And there would be terms and conditions of probation which are normal and customary for this. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes.
How do you plead to this? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty voluntarily? That is on your own free will and because you are guilty.
Yes.
I'll show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1. Did you sign that document voluntarily, understand it, discuss it with your attorney, or the contents all true and correct?
Yes.
State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into evidence without objection. And this states, ma'am, that you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you. You've read it. You were guilty of the crime charged in any lesser included offenses. You were giving up your rights to a jury trial, the rights to the appearance, consultation, cross-examination of witnesses, totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All of this is true, so help you God.
Yes.
State's Exhibit 1 is part of the record for all purposes. Is a pre-sentence report raised? I'm going to follow this agreement. And I'm going to find you are pleading guilty voluntarily. You are mentally competent to do so. There is sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea from State's Exhibit 1 admitted here to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to place you on deferred or unadjudicated probation. You won't be found guilty so long as you follow the terms and conditions of probation. And we'll do that for a period of 7 years. And there is no fine here. Make sure you follow these terms. If you fail, your probation could be revoked. You could then be found guilty by the court and then sentenced up to 20 years in prison, which is nightmarish to think about. So a lot riding on you doing the right thing. Ironically, these terms and conditions of probation, for the most part, are the requirements all of us in this room have to follow, whether we're on probation or not. It's follow the rules.
Yes.
Sometimes I see people go, "Oh, what? Probation? Oh, no." But it's just like, don't hurt people, live honestly, harm no one, respect each other. You know, the kinds of things you do, you're supposed to do, whether you're on probation or not. Recipe for good life. Okay, please see the probation officer. Thank you.
Seeing justice unfold in real time is intense, and cases like this remind us how one decision can change everything. If this courtroom drama kept you glued to your screen, imagine the stories we have coming up next: more shocking moments, real consequences, and jaw-dropping reactions. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because every week we bring you the most intense, eye-opening real-life courtroom cases you won't see anywhere else.